Feeling a cold coming on? Sore throat, low energy, and that annoying runny nose? What if you could support your immune system naturally before it gets worse? This is Echinaforcemed Tablets, a natural herbal supplement designed to help your body fight cold symptoms. It contains Echinacea purpurea, a plant known for its immune-supporting properties. Echinaforcemed is commonly used to relieve symptoms of the common cold, like sore throat, fatigue, and mild fever. It works by supporting your body's natural defense system, helping you recover faster. The usual dosage depends on age and condition, so always follow the label instructions or your healthcare provider's advice. It's generally well tolerated, but some people may experience mild stomach upset or allergic reactions, especially if sensitive to plants. Avoid using it if you have allergies to echinacea or similar plants. Here's a pro tip: start taking it at the very first sign of a cold for better results. Also, stay hydrated, get enough rest, and maintain a healthy diet to support your immune system. If you're looking for a natural way to manage cold symptoms, Echinaforcemed Tablets could be a helpful option. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and comment below, what symptoms do you usually get during a cold?